Hello and welcome to the micro lesson for Unit 1. What I was going to do is I was going to focus more on kind of what you're looking at where the videos are concerned, what my expectations are, etc., etc. So what I've done is I've located Unit 1, Chapter 1 and 2 worksheet, which is right here. And what I did is I went through and I highlighted those things that may require a video. It says you should complete the worksheet, etc., 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 and then it says complete the find the error exercise on page 23, worth 5 points. Complete the algorithm workbench, exercise 1, 2, and 3 on page 23. And these are things where you're going through and you're finding different elements and things along those lines. And it says complete the programming challenge exercise, your first Java program. Now, when you're going through looking at these, when it says programming challenge exercise, more than likely you're going to have to make a video. Anytime that you're creating a video, anytime that you're creating a program, you're going to create a video to accompany that. So on the next one, it says copy the file, sales tax, open the file in your IDE. This file contains a simple Java program that contains errors. Compile the program. You should get a list of syntax errors. Correct all the syntax errors. You may want to recompile after you fix some of the errors. Describe all errors below this question. So here's all what the errors are. You should get a list of syntax. So it says when all syntax errors are corrected, the program should compile. So after I create the program itself, then I want to actually compile the item, and I want to show it compiled. Awesome, it's working. As a previous exercise, you need to develop some test data. Use the chart below to record your test data. Okay, so here's my test data. So I might show how I'm actually testing that. It says execute the program. Obviously, you're going to have to show me that. Compile the source file, run the program, and observe the output. Some of the output is incorrect. You need to correct logic errors in the average formula and the temper conversion formula. Okay, make those corrections and show me. The logic errors could be due to conversion between data types, order of operations, or formula problems. So, and then we go through, we talk about different things. Create a program that calculates gas mileage. You'll notice anytime it talks about creating and running a program, you're probably making a video of it showing me what it is. So, what you might do is go through, do all of worksheet 1. When it talks about creating a file, I want to see you take a screen capture of, okay, this is what it looks like when it works. This is what it looks like when it doesn't. What you're doing is you're giving me evidence of you accomplishing the task. That's what I'm looking for. And then when you run the program, you wait till all the programs work, you've accomplished everything, and then you might run a program and say, okay, I am now loading this. This is what happens when I follow number 3. This is my screenshot, and this is what it does when it's working. This is this part. This is what it does when it's working. The programs are meant, the videos are meant to give me a run-through of watching you do it. So you might have things like write a program that displays the following information. It's going to display, so you write the program. You don't have to record a video of you writing the program, but you do have to show me evidence that it's done and that it works. And here's what's going on in it. And part of the reason a lot of you say, well, I've given you the program, why can't you run it yourself? I could not tell you the number of times that students will submit information that I cannot run. They forget one thing, it doesn't work, or I have to play tag, or something along those lines. So I need videos. If you're submitting a program, I'll have screenshots in this worksheet showing me how it works, and I'll have the program itself, and I'll have a video where you're walking through it. Because I get to see your competence. I get to wrap my head around what you're doing and seeing what's going on. It may seem like a lot of work in the beginning, but after you kind of get used to it, it's not too bad. Now, if there's some sort of security issues, talk to me individually. But once again, I would record the videos after you get everything accomplished. I've had some students put multiple things in the videos, but you can pull up, okay, here's my worksheet for number 3. This is my program for number 3. For number 2, 3, and 4, this is my program for that. For number 2, 1 and 2, here's my program for that. Because I should be able to not only see the screenshot of what you did, but I should be able to see the video of what you did so I can understand, hey, this person has accomplished a task and things along those lines. It's not too terribly difficult, and the level of competence that I believe that it is bringing about in my students is rather large. So I look forward to hearing from you. You get a chance to hear from me. If you have any particular questions, let me know. Once again, the easiest place to go to is Screencast-O-Matic. It uploads right to YouTube. You can then throw me a video recording of it, and a website address of it, and then I'll just look right at it, and it'll be perfectly fine. So thank you very much for your time. Have yourself a very, very good day, and I hope to see your product soon. Thank you.